tonight pupunta tayo sa bahay ng isang kaibigan namin. Home entrance, kasya dito ang dalawang sasakyan. So, main entrance, pero dito tayo papasok sa gilid para surprise sila. So ito na ang entrance.
Hello guys! Welcome to our home. Hello. So we will do a very quick house tour dito sa aming property na na-acquire sa Tignan natin yung small room here. This is our yaya's room. You can see there's a small bed here. But of course, meron siyang
Aircon.
and a mini CR here.
Wow!
That's our yaya's room. And then, in here we have the living area. You can see.
Oh, may bisita pa na kayo.
Yes, we have our friends from Riyadh. And ito yung aming sitting area. So this living sofa set is very comfortable. And look at our guys, and if you pull the lever, yan, o diba? Okay, so let's go here. Hindi ko So in this area, we have an Instagrammable sofa set here. So nice. So this living room have two entrance, so pwede tayong pumasok dito. And we have the laundry area here. Yan. And this is the powder room dito sa baba. So we have the wash area and just the toilet here. It's just a small powder room. And here is our kitchen, mini kitchen. Because as you know, this is just a rest house, guys. That's why hindi naman namin masyadong pinalaki. So we have our water dispenser, our other appliances here, cabinets, and of course our small ref. Maliit lang siya, guys, 2-door lang. Okay? So come, sama kayo. Doon naman tayo sa second floor. So we have here another living area where we can sit down and watch TV with the kids, you know, and we have 3 rooms here. So first we will visit the guest room. Yeah, because we love inviting guests. We have 2 bunk beds here and another one under a pull out. So this is a 6-bedroom room. And we have the cabinets here, a very nice vanity desk. Yeah, and then there's another room here. So it's just a small room but with a queen size bed. And look, oh guys, it's so nice. There's a balcony here. And of course, meron siyang sariling CR. Yeah, very nice, diba? Yeah. And then, let's go to the common bathroom. Dito siya sa labas. So, dito mag-CR din yung mga guests.
Daming toilet, ma'am.
Yes, of course. Ayan. And meron tayo dito mini bathtub. Ayan. And so, let's go to the master's bedroom. Come on, guys! Ta-da! So, yes, this is a very spacious master's bedroom. Ayan. And look, our bed, it has lights.
Wow.
See? Okay, and this is, hindi pa siya actually tapos, so wala pa akong TV dito and everything. But this will be my walk-in closet. So wala pang cabinets, but soon. And this is our mini CR.
Minimum.
Yan.
Ang laki.
So as you can see, the shower area is glass paneled, and then we have the taihan and hugasan. So ano naman na para, and we have our bathtub here. Yes. So let's go guys sa ating third floor or rooftop. Nakita mo ba yung talaga
Ngayon?
Okay guys, it's a private area, so no na lang. Bye!
Bye guys. Sabi mo bye guys.
Bye guys! Say
See you.
bye.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.